Number 1. 1974 Chevrolet 3/4-ton four-wheel drive, $2,800, Helena, Montana. This 1974 Chevrolet 3/4-ton pickup is a classic early 1970s work truck powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a manual transmission and four-wheel drive. The seller reports recent maintenance including new fluids, drive shaft universal joints, shocks, master cylinder, rebuilt carburetor, and ignition upgrades. It also features dual fuel tanks. The odometer reading of 79,442 miles is not accurate. Some rust and cosmetic wear are present, but extras like a wood rack, toolbox, spare parts, and tire chains add value, priced at $2,800. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet flatbed truck, $3,700, Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1978 Chevrolet flatbed truck is powered by a 454 cubic inch V8 crate engine with a 4-speed manual transmission. It features rear-wheel drive, a flatbed with a gooseneck hitch, and is well suited for hauling or farm work. The seller reports recent service, a new battery, and tires with about 80% tread. With approximately 54,000 miles on the engine, it appears to be a dependable work truck. Located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and priced at $3,700. Number 3. 1989 Mazda B2600i four-wheel drive pickup, $2,250, Chicago, Illinois. The 1989 Mazda B2600i is a compact pickup known for durability and simple mechanical design. It is powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission and a 4-wheel drive system. The truck shows approximately 180,000 miles and runs and drives according to the seller. While the body has surface rust, the frame is reported to be clean and solid, which is important for trucks used in northern climates. Mazda pickups from this era are appreciated for reliability and practicality. Located in Chicago, Illinois, and priced at $2,250, it remains an inexpensive and usable compact work truck. Number 4. 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit pickup diesel, $7,800, Cottonwood, California. This 1982 Volkswagen Rabbit pickup is a well-preserved compact diesel utility truck. It features a 4-cylinder diesel engine, manual transmission, and front-wheel drive known for excellent fuel economy. With 178,278 miles, it remains in excellent condition with no rust or dents, and spent most of its life in Palm Springs, California. Recently fitted with new radial tires and a new absorbed glass mat battery, it is located in Cottonwood, California, and priced at $7,800. Number 5. 1974 Chevrolet C20 pickup, $9,000, Kingman, Arizona. The 1974 Chevrolet C20 is part of the well-known square body truck generation produced from 1973 through 1987. This rear-wheel drive pickup is equipped with a gasoline engine and automatic transmission. The listing provides limited details, but the truck appears to be in good condition with a clean title. Located in Kingman, Arizona, and priced at $9,000, it is a solid example of a classic Chevrolet pickup. Number 7. 1970 Ford F250 Camper Special, $8,500, Los Lunas, New Mexico. The 1970 Ford F250 Camper Special is a heavy-duty pickup specifically designed to handle the additional weight and demands of slide-in truck campers. Powered by the legendary 390 cubic inch V8 engine and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this truck offers substantial torque and durability. The Camper Special package often included upgraded suspension and cooling systems to support heavier loads. This example features power steering and factory air conditioning, valuable comfort options for trucks of this era. The seller also reports a fresh paint and body job, which enhances its presentation while preserving the classic styling of late 1960s Ford trucks. With approximately 100,000 miles and a clean title, the vehicle appears to remain mechanically strong. Located in Los Lunas, New Mexico, and priced at $8,500, it represents a desirable vintage, heavy-duty Ford pickup. Number 7. 1970 Ford F250 Camper Special, $8,500, Los Lunas, New Mexico. The 1970 Ford F250 Camper Special was designed for carrying slide-in campers and heavy loads. This example is equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck also features air conditioning and power steering, useful options for trucks of this era. The seller reports a fresh paint and body job, improving the truck's appearance while maintaining its classic styling. With approximately 100,000 miles, it appears to remain a solid running truck. Located in Los Lunas, New Mexico, and priced at $8,500. Number 8. 1967 Ford F250 Highboy 4-wheel drive, $8,500, Litchfield Park, Arizona. The 1967 Ford F250 Highboy is one of the most iconic 4-wheel drive trucks produced by Ford. The term Highboy refers to the truck's distinctive tall stance, created by the use of a divorced transfer case and special frame design used in early Ford 4-wheel drive pickups. This example features an 8-foot flatbed with dual rear wheels and a V8 engine paired with a manual transmission. Although the truck has not been running for several years, the engine reportedly turns by hand and the body remains completely rust-free, which is highly desirable for restoration projects. Trucks like this were commonly used on farms and ranches due to their incredible durability and off-road capability. Once restored to running condition, Highboy trucks often command significantly higher market values. Located in Litchfield Park, Arizona, and priced at $8,500, this truck represents an attractive restoration candidate for collectors and enthusiasts. Number 9. 1989 Nissan Hardbody D21 truck, $500, Sumner, Washington. This 1989 Nissan Hardbody D21 pickup is a compact and reliable truck powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine with a manual transmission. It currently does not run due to a failed head gasket and shows about 180,000 miles. The truck features custom paint, shaved door handles, door poppers, aftermarket wheels, and a new timing chain kit. It has no title and is located in Sumner, Washington. Priced at $500, it is best suited for a project or parts. Number 10. 1966 Ford F250, $8,500, Campbell, California. The 1966 Ford F250 comes from the classic 1960s generation of Ford trucks, known for simple design and strong construction. This example is equipped with a V8 engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The seller reports that the engine, clutch, and transmission are in good working condition, and the truck runs well. It also has new tires and a bench seat interior in decent condition. Cosmetic improvements such as new paint would enhance its appearance. Located in Campbell, California, and priced at $8,500. Number 11. 1976 Ford F250 Highboy Ranger 4-wheel drive, $18,500, Riverside, California. This 1976 Ford F250 Highboy Ranger is a highly collectible classic 4-wheel drive truck with only one owner since 1976. It is powered by a 5.9-liter 360 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has approximately 46,000 miles and retains its original paint and documentation. It has spent more than 20 years in indoor storage and remains completely rust-free. While it starts, a full mechanical inspection is recommended before regular driving. Located in Riverside, California, and priced at $18,500. Number 12. 1968 Chevrolet K10 Short Bed Stepside Project, $6,500, Phoenix area, Arizona. This unique 1968 Chevrolet K10 Stepside Project truck is a heavily modified build that combines components from multiple Chevrolet truck models. Originally a 1972 K10 long bed four-wheel drive truck, the frame was shortened and fitted with a 1968 C10 short bed stepside body. Additional components from a 1968 C30 truck, including the front clip and doors, were installed to complete the transformation. The truck retains its original New Process 205 transfer case and Turbo-Hydromatic 350 automatic transmission, both respected for durability in classic four-wheel drive trucks. The body still carries remnants of vintage business lettering from a motorcycle shop, adding to its patina and historical character. Although the vehicle requires significant restoration or customization work, the structure appears complete with matching identification numbers and a clean title. Located in the Phoenix area, Arizona, and priced at $6,500, it represents a distinctive builder project with considerable customization potential.